Welcome back. In this video, I wanted to go over NAT instances and NAT gateways. Now, network address translation instances, or better known as NAT instances, are the managed way of providing internet connectivity to your public subnets in AWS, meaning that these are EC2 instances that are created, deployed, and managed by you, the AWS customer. The traffic from the private subnet that is going to the internet is routed to the NAT instance ID in the public subnet. And then the traffic is again routed to an internet gateway that goes out to the internet. The way it routes all the traffic is by using route tables, which tells the VPC router how the traffic is directed. If you were to increase your traffic to the NAT instance, this is something you would have to plan in order to scale and meet the demand of your AWS network. You could use auto-scaling groups to handle the load, but a lot of planning would have to take place for this to occur. Now, AWS thought this was a problem, and they provided their version of a solution, which is the NAT gateway. The NAT gateway is a managed AWS service that also allows our EC2 instances in private subnets to connect to the internet. The NAT gateway is also created in the public subnet, but this service automatically scales to provide high availability. The traffic from the private subnet that is going out to the internet is routed to the NAT gateway in the public subnet. And then the traffic is again routed to an internet gateway that goes out to the internet. Like the NAT instance, we also use route tables to tell our VPC how to direct the traffic. The NAT gateway replaces the source IP address, which is their private IP address of the instances, with the IP address of the NAT gateway. When sending response traffic to the instances in the private subnet, the NAT gateway translates the address back to the original source IP address, which is again their private IP address. That is why it's called the Network Address Translation Gateway. This is how the NAT instance also behaves. I hope in this video you learned more about NAT instances and NAT gateways. I'll see you in the next video.